Crispy, Benjamin Franklin came over and babysat all four of my kids. Then in my dream I told the doctor off. He said, if you don't want to do it, then you don't have to do it. The truth is, you'll be okay anyway. My dream, crispy, Benjamin Franklin and the doctor went and had a talk with my boss. No thank you, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you. And I'm about to pay for this shit. I can afford chemo, look, I can afford a limo. And on any given day I'd rather ride a limousine. No thank you, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you. And I'm about to die like this.